The Collapsible Salad Spinner, another innovative kitchen product from Progressive. Salad spinners are a pretty standard kitchen helper these days, but what makes Progressive's salad spinner special is its ability to collapse and use half the storage space. And like so many Progressive products, there's something extra built into the design. The collapsible salad spinner can wash and dry vegetables or fruit in one easy step. And you can use the outer container as an attractive serving bowl. Let me show you how easy it is to use. In the collapsed position, flip the knob upright to remove the lid. Then remove the interior basket. Expand the basket and the bowl separately, and then insert the basket into the bowl. Use the basket as a colander to wash your salad ingredients, vegetables, or fruit. Place the lid on top and rotate the upright handle in either direction to spin your items dry. The ability to spin in either direction can actually dry your lettuce quicker and more thoroughly. To stop the basket from spinning, just press your fingers in on the flexible part of the bowl. That's it. The collapsible salad spinner is dishwasher safe, but make sure you put the lid on the top rack. And when you go to put it away, put the basket inside the bowl, place the lid on top, and flip the knob down. Now it's ready to fit just about anywhere in your cupboard. The collapsible salad spinner. Check out this and other innovative kitchen products from Progressive.
Wash, dry, store, and serve your salad, all with one easy-to-use, convenient appliance. The Brieftons QuickDry Salad Spinner lets you dry your salad quickly and easily. Simply put washed salad leaves into the basket, close the lid, push the knob repeatedly, and let the salad spinner work its magic to remove water from the leaves. The continuous turns of the basket in the same direction allow the salad spinner to achieve a higher velocity than most other salad spinners, resulting in dry, crisp salad leaves. This is the perfect tool for drying salads, herbs, vegetables, berries, etc. quickly and easily. The salad spinner can be operated by one hand or both hands. Simply push on the knob repeatedly to spin the basket and dry your greens. Centrifugal force will direct the water outwards and down the sides of the bowl, pooling in the base for easy disposal. There is a convenient brake button to quickly stop the spinning cycle. The non-slip ring at the bottom of the bowl keeps the salad spinner steady on the countertop. When not in use, the knob can be locked down for compact storage. What's more, the basket doubles as a colander, and the bowl doubles as a serving container. Let the Brieftons QuickDry Salad Spinner take the hard work out of drying your greens and put the fun back into cooking again.